You can take any style serrated edge knife. You don't have to take the blades out of them. Turn your electrics on. Roll them back and forth in the middle. It gets them pins vibrating. Shatters it through the teeth. Will not hurt the teeth on it one bit. I've done every possible style by now. Gets them very sharp.
Pretty much every adult uses a knife of some sort, whether you're cooking, hunting, fishing, or working. Therefore, pretty much every adult could use the Block Knife Sharpener, the hottest selling handheld knife sharpener in America. Again, these sharpeners take little to no steel off your blade and deliver razor-sharp results. The Block Knife Sharpener is great for fillet knives, kitchen knives, pocket knives, everyday work tools, and more. A dull blade's actually more dangerous than one that's sharp. Stay safe with the Block Knife Sharpener. See demonstrations or order online blocksharpener.net. Lifetime guarantee and free shipping within 24 hours.